Hello and welcome to the another part of this Flutter notification video. So if you are following my video tutorials related with this Flutter Firebase, then your main.dart file will look like this, and in this video I will work on Firebase notification. Inside this I'm creating one folder, and inside this I will create one Dart file where I will keep all the functions related with notifications. Notification services. Inside this I will create one class, and inside this class I will initialize Firebase messaging, which is coming from the package Firebase messaging package that we have already installed in our pubspec YAML file. After this I will create one function which will handle notification permission. It would be a sync type because it is future function, and here I will declare one settings and its type will be notification setting, which is coming from the package notification settings. Let's suppose when our application runs, and at that time when user will allow the permission to for the notification, then user will not be able to disable the notification unless user will have to move to settings, and from there user will be able to enable disable that. There are actually some boolean properties available in request permission which is mandatory, and we need to provide that. First of all, it is alert. It will be true. Let's suppose if you have given permission for notification, and if alert is false, then you won't be able to receive notification. So for receiving notification, alert must be true. So these are the properties which we need to add and give them a boolean value true. So if sound is true, means when you will receive notification, it will give notification sound. Badge means it will show some indication kind of thing. So basically we need to add all this request permission with true value. So after this we need to apply some condition. So we will check if user has given authorization to the notification or not. Settings dot authorization status. If it is authorized, then for understanding I will print permission granted. Else if settings dot authorization status otherwise else. Permission denied. Provisional permission means, let's suppose if notification occurs in your device, and from here you can enable your notification, so this permission is also granted. So I just wanted to show you that what is provisional permission that we are providing to user. So after this, we will call this notification services class in our first screen of the app. So here, this login screen is my first screen, this one. So here inside this class, just above build function, I'm creating instance of that notification services class. And inside this init state method, I will use this request notification permission. Now if I will run our application, we will see request permission. Actually, when I run the application, it is already showing that permission is granted. So what I will do, I'll go to settings, search for app notification, and here you will find the application. Close this. Now let's run the application. You can see here permission denied. So from here you can manage your notification permission. Let's suppose if you denied permission, so it will come here and you need to show dialog, and on top of that you will navigate user to settings page, and from there user will enable, then only notification will be received after enabling notification permission from app settings. Nowadays so many changes, so many upgrades are coming with Firebase and notification. You must have seen so many videos that they were doing some different things, and there is no options available in your Firebase console. So these upgradation are happening very frequently, and for better understanding of permission, you can check this page. I will share the link in the description. So it has provided all the information, like we have given boolean value true, so there are the reason, so you can check that. So that's it in this video. In the next part of this video, where I'll be discussing about some FCM token and all.